I have a big scoop coming in from the national capital, Delhi. The MNS chief meeting the BJP top brass in Delhi. Remember, Raj Thackeray has arrived and is staying at the Taj Palace Hotel in Delhi. Is likely to meet the Bharatiya Janata Party top brass, which means looking at alliance for the state of Maharashtra. Now, NCP, led by Sharad Pawar, immediately seeing red on this. Pawar camp accusing Bharatiya Janata Party of trying to divide votes as well. A statement has come in from Rohit Pawar, who has said, I quote him here, BJP wants to divide the votes by taking small and big parties together, and this will be done. Raj Thackeray is a great leader. He should think BJP is giving that much importance, because today BJP is in the need. If there is no need, then his parties are then sidelined. Raj Thackeray should come with the Maha Vikas Aghadi to protect Maharashtra region. So listen in to what was said by Rohit Pawar. And remember, at a time like this, where a section of Shiv Sena drifted to BJP in an alliance, section of NCP has drifted, and now MNS also is in a discussion with the Bharatiya Janata Party.
नाही, माझं एकच मत आहे की भाजपला दक्षिणेकडे जात असताना नाहीतर जास्तीत जास्त खासदार जर त्यांना निवडून आणायचे असतील, त्यांना काही झालं तर दक्षिणेतून तो प्रतिसाद मिळाला पाहिजे. उत्तर आणि दक्षिणमध्ये एक असं राज्य आहे ज्याला आपण महाराष्ट्र म्हणतो, की जिथं संतांची भूमी आहे, थोर व्यक्तींच्या विचाराने प्रेरित झालेला महाराष्ट्र आहे. तिथं त्यांना एका गोष्टीची जाण होते की लोक त्यांच्याबरोबर नाहीत. त्यामुळे भाजपला आता कुठल्याही परिस्थितीमध्ये छोटे मोठे सर्व पक्ष घेऊन मतविभाजनी करता आली तर ती केली जाईल, नाहीतर त्या पक्षांना एकत्रित करायचं झालं तरी करता येईल. पण ज्या पक्षांना 2019ला महत्त्व दिलं जात नव्हतं, अशा पक्षांना सुद्धा आज महत्त्व दिलं जात आहे. राज ठाकरे साहेब एक मोठे नेते, त्या बाबतीत त्यांनी विचार करावा. भाजपला आज जरूरत आहे म्हणून ते सगळ्यांना महत्त्व देतात, पण जेव्हा जरूरत नसते त्यांना बाजूला इतर पक्षांना टाकलं जातं. ह्या गोष्टीची जाण ठेवून महाराष्ट्र धर्म जपण्यासाठी राज ठाकरे साहेबांनी सुद्धा महाविकास आघाडीबरोबर प्रयत्न करावे.
Vidya is joining me for the latest on that. Vidya, it's going to be very interesting because Maharashtra does have a fair share number of seats of about 48 Lok Sabha seats in Maharashtra. And what do you think is the reason, Vidya, that MNS is Raj Thackeray, not really a strong presence right now politically in the state, but yet somewhere an important factor that the Bharatiya Janata Party top brass wants to ensure there's a meeting held at a top hotel in Delhi this morning?
Well, after the fact that Uddhav Thackeray, broke away from the BJP, there was importance certainly given to the Thackeray name, that the BJP thought that it would be of importance. It would be quite, it would give a little heavy weightage in Maharashtra if you had a Thackeray, if not an Uddhav Thackeray, but at least a Raj Thackeray, who, if associated with them, would actually fetch a little more votes, especially those in the Maharashtrian heartland, like say areas like Dadar or the Bandra area where the Thackeray's have their presence, and that's one of the reasons why associating with Thackeray would be of importance to the BJP. But given the fact that Thackeray does not really have the parliamentary presence even as yet, he also is looking forward to, in case even if he gets one seat, probably he'll work on that and probably start making a presence felt across the Lok Sabha as well. Given the chances that, as the leader right now was saying, that for the sake of Maharashtra, Raj Thackeray shouldn't really be associated with BJP, who is known, as he says, to throw away people after using them. And that's one of the reasons why Raj Thackeray shouldn't really associate himself. The Maha Vikas Aghadi trying their best to make sure that the Thackeray does not really associate himself. But in the last many years that we have seen, Raj Thackeray has been speaking the voice of the BJP and the NDA alliance for quite a few years. So it's not really a surprise.
So clearly expressing at least some association if possible. And remember, most likely he will not join hands with Uddhav Thackeray. So the option, of course, sounds more like with the BJP. But what are at stake with regard to seat sharing? That, of course, all our colleagues on the ground will be tracking. Vidya is the one updating us constantly about what's unfolding in Maharashtra. Vidya, appreciate you joining us this morning.